Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rajasekhar M R from Chirag Global Hospitals, BTM second stage, Bangalore. Over the counter hemorrhoidal creams should we apply? Many people will be asking and many are using. By the time they come to us, already they have tried many creams over the counter, or somebody would have told them, I am using, so you also use. That's a very bad way of managing the diseases. So hemorrhoidal creams are meant for hemorrhoids, and that has to be prescribed after making a diagnosis of hemorrhoid. So one may not be knowing that whether it is hemorrhoid or not, and they may be having some other diseases inside. So some of the hemorrhoidal creams will have steroids, which can be dangerous if it is used for in a long-term basis. Especially people with fissure, they think it is hemorrhoids and they use hemorrhoidal creams. And if it has steroids, it will cause infection of the fissures and cause more problems than what they are having. So the over-the-counter hemorrhoidal, this one is not good for long-term usage at all. Maybe temporarily you are out of station, somewhere you have some issues, 1 or 2 days it can be used. But again, you have to get it checked properly, get it treated properly, because whatever medication is there inside there are different varieties of hemorrhoidal medications. Depending on the situation or depending on the degree of hemorrhoids or associated diseases inside, we advise different ways of using the hemorrhoidal creams. So it should be under medical supervision, it should be used, and only for a particular period of time it should be used. So very important it is.